scrolling through your feed right after your expensive wireless earphones just died mid-workout. Suddenly, an ad pops up for a brand called DrivBuds. They look incredibly sleek. The marketing page hits every single buzzword you want to hear. Sweat resistance? Check. Long battery life? Absolutely. A comfortable design that actually stays in your ear during a heavy sprint? You bet. They even promise rock-solid connectivity and an unbelievably affordable price tag. It sounds like the absolute perfect setup for your daily gym sessions, long flights, and morning commutes. But hitting that buy button right away might be a huge mistake. The real story here goes way beyond a flashy promotional video. When you start digging into the publicly available data, the glossy finish wears off fast. A smart shopper needs to look closely at the actual trust signals, or in this case, the lack of them. The biggest red flag waving right in front of us is the customer feedback. If you check their official website, you will see glowing, 5-star testimonials everywhere. But try finding an independent review on a third-party site. You will hear nothing but crickets. There is almost zero solid information out there about this brand's actual history. Nobody knows how they handle long-term reliability. Even worse, the quality of their customer support is a complete mystery. Actually, that is not entirely true. When you trace the breadcrumbs back to the parent company distributing these earbuds, a very clear and worrying picture emerges. Public records and consumer reports about this parent network reveal a mountain of negative experiences. People are complaining about major refund issues. Buyers talk about terrible communication. Getting a simple return process seems next to impossible. Now, does a shady parent company automatically mean the earbuds themselves are a total scam? Not necessarily. The physical product likely exists as a basic e-commerce electronics offering. You might actually receive a physical box in the mail. But the severe lack of transparency creates massive uncertainty. When customer service is this questionable, you are taking a huge gamble. If one earbud stops holding a charge after a single week, you might be entirely out of luck. The final verdict here is strictly high risk. You need to proceed with extreme caution. A smart purchase requires a lot more than just an attractive list of features. It demands reliable human support after the transaction is complete. If you are still heavily tempted by that incredibly low price, you absolutely must protect yourself. Read the exact fine print on their return policies. Double-check every single shipping detail before entering your address. Most importantly, always use a protected payment method like a credit card that allows direct chargebacks. Do not let a slick marketing page trick you into a massive, frustrating headache. Your hard-earned money is worth far more than a blind gamble on ghost town customer service.